In the ever-expanding universe of project management software, teams are constantly on the lookout for tools that offer robust functionality without breaking the bank. Smartsheet is a prominent name in this space, known for its powerful spreadsheet-like interface combined with project management, collaboration, and automation capabilities. This often leads to a crucial question for teams considering it. Is Smartsheet free in Teams? As a project management expert, I can provide a clear and nuanced answer. No, Smartsheet is generally not free for Teams, especially if you want to leverage its full power and collaborate effectively. While there might be a very limited free user experience and a free trial, Smartsheet operates predominantly on a paid, subscription-based model. Understanding this distinction is vital for accurate budgeting and tool selection for your team. Let's unpack what free might mean in the context of Smartsheet and what you can expect from its pricing structure. The free user experience in Smartsheet. Smartsheet does have a concept of a free user, but it's important to clarify what this entails. A free user in Smartsheet is typically someone who has been shared a sheet, report, or dashboard by a licensed user. What a free user can do: view and edit shared content. They can access and make changes to the specific sheets, reports, or dashboards that a licensed user has shared with them. This is excellent for external collaborators, clients, or team members who only need to contribute to specific parts of a project without needing to create new projects or access advanced features. Receive notifications. They can receive alerts and reminders from the shared Smartsheet items. Participate in discussions. They can often add comments to rows or tasks within shared sheets. What a free user cannot do and why this matters for teams. Create new sheets, reports, or dashboards. This is the biggest limitation. Free users cannot initiate new projects, build new data structures, or create their own reports from scratch. This immediately curtails their ability to act as independent project managers or substantial contributors to multiple new initiatives. Access advanced features. Many powerful features, such as robust automation, resource management, custom branding, unlimited automations, or integrations, are exclusive to paid plans. Administer accounts. Free users have no administrative privileges. Utilize all views. While they can interact with the views, grid, Gantt, card, calendar of shared sheets, they can't independently switch or configure views on their own new work. For a team, relying solely on free users means that only a handful of licensed users, likely project managers or team leads, are building and structuring all the work, with others merely filling in data or commenting. This isn't a sustainable model for a truly collaborative and dynamic team environment where multiple individuals might need to initiate projects or build their own workflows. The 30-day free trial. Like many software as a service, SaaS providers, Smartsheet offers a 30-day free trial. This trial typically gives you access to a higher tier plan, often the business plan, for a limited period. What you get with the free trial: full feature access. You can explore almost all of Smartsheet's functionalities, including creating new sheets, reports, dashboards, setting up automations, and experimenting with various views. Collaboration capabilities. You can invite other team members to the trial and experience real-time collaboration. Evaluate suitability. The trial is designed to let you thoroughly test whether Smartsheet meets your team's specific project management and collaboration needs before you commit to a paid subscription. What happens after the free trial? Once the 30 days are up, your trial account will typically become read-only for a period, e.g., 30 days. And then your created sheets may be deleted if you don't upgrade to a paid plan. You cannot simply start another free trial. This trial is an excellent opportunity for a team to conduct a proof of concept or a pilot project to see if Smartsheet is the right fit. However, it's not a long-term free in Teams solution. Smartsheet's paid plans for teams. Smartsheet's core business model is built around its paid subscription tiers, which are designed to cater to different team sizes and feature requirements. These plans are priced on a per-user, per-month basis, often with discounts for annual billing. As of current information, Smartsheet typically offers plans like Pro Plan, Best for very small teams, often with a user limit, e.g., up to 10 users. Features. Provides core project management functionalities like unlimited sheets, reports, and dashboards, basic automations, Gantt charts, forms, and integrations with popular tools like Microsoft Office 365 and Google Workspace. Cost. This is the entry-level paid plan. Business plan, best for mid-sized teams and growing organizations. Features. Includes everything in the Pro plan, plus more advanced capabilities like unlimited automations, document proofing, user management features, more robust reporting, and a higher level of integrations. It often has a minimum user count. Cost. A significant step up from the Pro plan, reflecting the enhanced features and scalability. Enterprise plan and advanced work management. Best for large organizations, those with complex security and compliance needs, or those managing large-scale portfolios. Features. Offers enterprise-grade security, single sign-on, SSO, advanced administration controls, dedicated support, and access to premium add-ons, like Control Center for portfolio management or Bridge for advanced integrations. Cost. Custom pricing based on the organization's specific requirements.